everyone. Good morning. Good morning from Fuzzlewood Fridays. I'm so happy to see everyone here. My apologies, I was having a little bit of technical difficulties. So I am so glad to see that friends are here today. Let me go back up. Good morning to Miss Paul's class. I'm so happy you are here. Good morning to Miss Sarah, Miss Gilpin's class. Thank you for joining us. Good morning to Miss Severnak's class. Hello, Miss Felker's class. Bonjour, Mademoiselle Magarin's class. Happy Friday is right. It's been a long week, yeah? Okay, good morning to from Miss hello to Miss Lacomb's class. Good morning. Hello to Miss Lee's class. And pardon moi, and Miss Giles' class. Hello, welcome for joining us. Hello. Hi, Thelma in Spain. Good morning. I'm happy to see that you're joining us. Excellent. Good morning to Miss Sandu and Miss Royan's class. I'm so happy you are all here. Wow, so many friends today. This is fantastic. Good morning to Miss Canwell and Miss Palou's class. Hello, hello to K3. Fantastic. This is amazing. Oh, hello, Miss Lee and Miss Watson. Good morning. Excellent. I'm so happy everyone is here today. It's kind of a dull day outside. It is finally stopped raining. We needed the rain because it's spring, but it's finally stopped raining. Oh, hello, Miss Craig and Miss Capadia's class. Good morning to you. Okay, so many friends are here today. This is amazing. Okay, we will see if anyone else joins us, and that is wonderful. I'm happy to see you. I'm back here in Dr. Fuzzleworth's kitchen again, and that's awesome. Okay, because today we're going to try something. This is so fun. So I want to show you a book. There we go. All right, boys and girls, I am sure that some of you have read this story. You might recognize it. Some of you have read this story with your amazing teachers and parents, okay? It's called Mix It Up. And it's all about mixing colors, okay? If you haven't read it yet, I request you read it. It's so fun. It's interactive. You get to push the button, see what colors it did, the making new colors. Okay. All right. Oh, good morning, Miss Royan and Miss Sandu's class. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so yes, so this is a super fun book. I'm not going to read it today, but it made me kind of start to think about something that we could maybe do for an experiment. But so this book reminded me. So great book, you should read. I promise that I am not a sponsor or anything for this book, but you should read it. It's very good. So I'm going to just put it over here. So boys and girls, here's my question today. I am wondering, do you think that Dr. Fuzzleworth can make some colors? That's the first part of the question. And if you think yes, because we always have our options, right, of yes and no, do you think that Dr. Fuzzleworth can make colors, make some colors? And if the answer is yes, how many colors do you think I can create? Okay, so two-part question. So do you think I can make colors? Yes or no? And if you think that I can make colors, how many colors can I make? Okay, I'll let you talk to your class and you can figure out what you think the answer might be. What do you think I can do for today's experiment? Okay. Try to answer maybe in the same one. Yes or no, and the number if you think the answer is yes. Okay? Oh, okay. Okay, so Miss Paul's class thinks that I could make colors. The class is showing 10 fingers. I know that you are online right now. So 10 fingers. Let me write that down on a paper. Okay. So Miss Paul's class says yes. So I have Miss Paul's class card here. I'm going to write number 10 on her card so that I can remember for later. Okay. Miss Canwell and Miss Plu's class, they think that, yes, we can, and we can make 5 colors. Okay. You guys are on this so good. Okay, I have to go back and check here. Okay, so Thelma says yes. How many, Thelma? How many colors do you think I can make? Okay, so Miss Felker's class. So Miss Felker's class says yes, and they say 7 colors. That I can make 7 colors. Okay. All right, how many, Miss Sayers? How many do you think? Okay. Miss Lacombe. Okay, so Miss Lacombe says yes, we can. We think you can make 10 colors. Okay, so I'm going to write number 10, same as Miss Paul's class. All right, I'm going to put it on there. Okay, Miss Royan's class. Okay, Miss Sando and Miss Royan said we can make 5 or 6 colors. I think you guys are usually on the fence. You have some that say yes, some that say different answers. So, but the answer for you is yes today. Okay, Miss Lee and Miss Watson. Miss Lee and Miss Watson. So yes, you can. And they think that I can make 10 colors. Okay. All right, we put it on there. Okay, Maramazama Guran, we think you can make new colors for the question of how many, lots of different ideas. I understand. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay. Let me write that down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Really, I should do this en français, but another day. Okay. All right, Miss Savernac. Miss Savernac's class, she thinks yes, we can, and we can make 10 colors. Okay, so I put a number 10 onto yours. A lot. Okay, Thelma. Okay, so I'm just going to put a lot on your card. Okay? All right. Okay, Miss Craig's class said yes, you can. Miss Craig and Miss Capadia. We think you can make anywhere between 5 and 10 colors. Okay. You guys have such faith in me. I love it. Okay. I try not to disappoint you. All right. Who do we have next? Okay, Miss Lee. Miss Lee. Okay, Miss Lee and Miss Giles. We think that you can do it. You can make as many as you want. Ah, you're so amazing. Okay, we will just put you in the yes bucket. Okay. Oh, yeah, you changed your answer. Yes, we can make 10. Okay. So we'll put 10 on your card. Put you in before we got to the end of the answer. Okay, I think we have some. I think that's everyone that we heard from. Yeah. So I'm just going to move these other cards over here. Okay, so boys and girls, now for the fun stuff. Some simple things that you need to do this. I'm going to move you back just a little bit so that you can see. Okay, I want you to be able to see my counter here. Now, it's a little important because it could get a little bit messy. So you want to make sure you put something down on your counter. So I just have a little towel that I'm going to put here just in case. I don't want to have a spill on my counter. My counter will wipe off, but just in case. Okay, so I have some cups. We are going to start with these plastic cups. Okay. So, and I have a jug of water. Ooh, it's a little heavy. Okay, so I'm going to put the same amount of water into, maybe I'll put a little more, into each of the cups. Okay, let me make sure this one needs a little tiny bit more. Okay, we're good. Just going to put my water over there. Okay, what I'm going to use today is I have some fizzy tablets. I'm going to put the fizzy tablets into the cups to see what we can create. Okay, so first, they might surprise you. Okay, so I have this one. It has a purple color. Okay, can you see that? It's a purple color. So I'm going to put that one into my first container. Let's watch and see what happens. Oh, I'm going to turn it around so you can see the bubbling that's happening. So this is a fizzy tablet. Okay, boys and girls, very tricky. Tricky, because it fooled us. Our eyes fooled us. It did not make the purple like we thought it was going to make. Okay, what color? Who thinks they know what color we have created here with our fizzy tablet? Oh, if I put it there, it makes it too dark for you to see. I think I need to change my cloth because it makes it very dark for you to see. Just get something a little lighter. Okay, yes, it's a red one. Okay, I'm going to change this cloth because I want you to be able to see. And hopefully I don't spill on my white cloth, but that will make it a little bit better, I think. Okay, so yes, it's a very dark. There's still some of the tablet in the bottom there. Yes, you're right. It became red. Thank you. Yes, to the friends that answered red. So Miss McGurran says, we noticed that it changed different shades of red as the tablet dissolved. That's right. Yeah, and it's a little, there we go. A little tricky to see. So I'm going to put that one there. Excellent. Okay, so we have our other cups here. So we've created the red one. Now, boys and girls, I wonder if this one is going to fool us too. This tablet looks like it is blue. It is blue, a blue tablet. So I wonder, this one was a purple tablet and it turned out to be red. This one is a blue tablet. I wonder what color it will be if I put it inside. So I want you to have a little guess with your class. You can try to figure out, but I'm going to put this one in. It was true to its color. It didn't fool us that time. You can see all the fizzing happening as it dissolves in the liquid. Okay, so we have our red and we have our blue. The blue is finishing its dissolving now. All right. Still in there a little bit. You can see it is dissolving just a little bit. Okie dokie. Now we have one more tablet. So we have our red, we have our blue, we have one more. We have one more tablet. We have an orange tablet. This one is orange. Okay, boys and girls, what color do you think this one will be? What do you think? Oops. What do you think? This one is orange. It's a little hard to see. I'm going to put it as close as I can. This one is orange. What color do you think this one's going to change when I put it into the water? Anyone have an idea? So we have our red one, we have our blue one, and now I have an orange tablet. Okay, Mademoiselle Magurin says some people think orange, but some of us also think yellow. Miss Lacombe's class says yellow. Miss Canwell's class says yellow. Okay, I'll just see if there's any more guesses before I put this orange tablet into the water. Miss Lacombe's class says one friend said you were making the primary colors. Okay, Miss Severnak's class says peach or yellow. All right, so I'm going to put my orange tablet into the water. Let's see what's going to happen with this one. Almost immediately when you put it into the water, it starts to turn yellow. Hoping you can see the fizzing coming up. It is making lots of bubbles come out of the tablet. There we go. All right, boys and girls, if you said yellow, you would be correct. There we go, lots of fizzing happening. Okay, so boys and girls, Miss Lacombe's class, you are correct. So we did make the primary colors. Okay, so we've created the red, the blue, and the yellow. And those are our primary colors. All right, so now from these colors, we would like to make new colors, okay? So when we mix our primary colors together, we can create some new colors because we know that we, all the colors in our rainbow, we don't only have red, blue, and yellow, we have other colors too, okay? But Dr. Fuzzleworth does not have those tablets, so we need to create them ourselves, okay? So I am going to, I'm just waiting, this yellow is being a little bit stubborn and it's trying to dissolve, but it still has some more in there that's bubbling up, a little bit more dissolving. Okay, so we're going to do some mixing now. That means I need more cups, so I have those. Okay, so I'm just going to move these aside. All right, put those there. So, boys and girls, say that I wanted to make, what's another color in the rainbow? Say I wanted to make orange. Say I wanted to make orange. What two colors am I going to mix together to create orange? Because I don't have a tablet for orange. So how would I create orange? Two of these colors? Maybe, maybe not. What do you think? Okay, so we have lots of friends jumping on. I don't want to say the colors just in case that your class still wants to answer. Okay, thank you, Miss Savornak and Miss Mademoiselle Magurin and Miss Lecomte. Thank you, Miss Canwell. Okay. All right. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to put a little bit of our red. We're going to use the red color here. Okay, now red is our strong color. It's a little bit stronger. Thank you, Ms. Greg's class. Thank you. Okay, so lots of friends are saying red and yellow. Okay, so red is our stronger color. It's much deeper, has a deeper hue than the yellow one. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to this, okay, to make it just a little bit less here. Okay, because there's a very deep hue with it, but I want to make there enough that you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of the yellow. Okay, all right, so boys and girls, you were correct. We added the red and the yellow, and we created the orange. Now the red is quite a deep color. Okay, so we could add a little more of the yellow. I don't want to use all of it because I need a little bit of it for the next experiment. So we have our red. We have created our orange. So red and yellow makes the orange. So good job. If you said that red and yellow were going to make orange, fantastic. Okay, so I'm just going to move my orange over here. Okay, what is another color that we could make? We could use these colors. What do you think? What is another color that we have not created yet? We have our red, we have our yellow, we have our blue. Now we've created orange. So we have our primary colors. We are now creating something called the secondary colors. Okay, the secondary colors. What's another color that we could create using these? Who knows? Who thinks they know? Okay, we think, thank you, mademoiselle. We think that blue and red. Okay, so let's try that. See what color we can create. Okay, oh, Miss Canwell, we will try that one next. Okay, so let's see, we're going to add some red. We're going to add this red. I might be able to add all of it. I'm just going to wait and see. Okay, so I'm going to add the red. Now I'm going to add the blue. Okay, so think in your brain, what color is red and blue mixed together going to make? So let's see. This one is much darker than the blue. I will move it forward so you can see a little bit better. Boys and girls, well done. You created purple. Excellent. Okay, so we now have discovered, I will pour the rest of my red in here. Okay, so we have created the purple from the red and yellow. oh, sorry, from the red and the blue. Okay, so we now have orange and we have purple. Miss Canwell told us that, or asked us if we could make green next. Okay, so we have 2 colors left, so we're going to give that a go. All right, so I'm going to put some blue. Now, same thing as before. This one is the stronger of the 2 hues. Okay, it's a little bit deeper, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just enough so that you're going to be able to see. I don't want to have just a little bit in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add the yellow. Ah, well done. So, and like magic, we have created the green. Good job. Okay, so boys and girls, now we have created our secondary colors. Okay, so first we had our primary colors, okay, our red and our blue and our yellow. We've now created our secondary colors, okay, our orange, our green, and our purple. So let's see, we had 3, and then we had 3 more. So we created 6. Okay, so we've created 6 colors. Okay, fantastic. You guys are doing an amazing job. Now, if I wanted to make these even more, if I wanted to make even more, okay, I could add just little bits. So these are our main colors, okay, but in between these are going to be shades of it, okay. So we're going to stop there. So for today, we're going to make our 6 colors, okay. That was our 6 colors. Well done. But I have one more thing to do. So I'm going to just set these aside. I'm going to pull you back up so I can see you a little better. All right. Now, boys and girls, that is what happens when we add the fizzy tablets to water. And that is super cool. Today also, I wanted to see what happens if I add the fizzy tablet to oil. Okay, so I have a little jar. I have a little small jar of oil. Okay, does anyone have a prediction? Does anyone have a prediction? What is going to happen if I add the fizzy tablet to the oil? Okay, so before we added it to the water and we saw that it dissolved, what do you think that is going to happen with the oil? It's a different substance. Okay, it's different properties. So what do you think will happen? Anyone have an idea? Okay, so Miss Canwell and Miss Blue's class think that it will dissolve. What else do you think is going to happen? Oh, Miss Falker's class says she doesn't think it's going to be fizzy. Okay, so some good predictions so far. What will happen in the oil? It might be different, it might not. Okay, Miss Lacombe's class thinks it will make bubbles. Okay, Mademoiselle wrote a book, just a moment. One friend said if you put a blue fizzy tablet, because the oil is yellow, it will make a shade of green. Ah, clever. Another friend says the fizzy tablet will float on top and dissolve from there. Okay. Miss Severnak's class said we think it will change to the color of the tablet. It will dissolve. Okay, so she thinks 2 things are going to happen. Okay. All right, I'll just wait a couple more seconds to see if there's any other predictions about what might happen when we put it in the oil. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to put the tablet in. Now I want you to think about when we have done experiments before, or maybe you have done them with your mommies and daddies, or maybe you have had salad dressing. I want you to keep that in the back of your mind. Okay, so I'm going to take the tablet. Here we go. I'm going to hold it up so that you're able to see. And I'm going to put two of them. Okay, so slowly, slowly, not like the water, very different. Very slowly, there is a very small, steady stream of bubbles. I'm going to move it so I'm not sure if you can. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm going to just give it a little stir. It's oil, so I don't want to make a mess. So I'm going to make sure that my lid is on nice and tight. The container's a little bit greasy. I'm just giving it a bit of a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Just to check. So my friends, these are made, they are made to dissolve in the water, right? They're made to dissolve in the water. And they, as we know from salad dressing, oil and water do not mix. Okay, so this one is not mixing. I'm going to give it another shake. See if that helps. No, it is not dissolving at all. So interesting. Okay, so the water, very much so. The oil, not at all. How interesting is that? Okay. All right, well, Dr. Fuzzleward truly thought that this one was going to work too. Interesting. Okay, we will put this one aside. All right, so my friend said that it will not dissolve. You were correct. You were correct on that. Correct, Amando. Okay, so yeah, it is not dissolving at all. Huh, how cool. Or maybe if I could give it a really good shake, shake, shake. Let me try one more thing. What if I had a different tablet? We can see. I'll try one more. Let's try the blue tablets. See if they make a difference. I don't know if they're going to. They don't seem to like the oil. Nope, not at all. Water and oil do not mix. That's all? Okay. So, boys and girls, this has been so fantastic. Because now, Dr. Fuzzleworth has learned something new too. That my fizzy tablets do not work in oil. So, wow, interesting. Okay, so boys and girls, it has been fantastic, and I hope you have a very, very wonderful weekend. I hope that the weather gets a little bit warmer for you. I think it might even snow tomorrow, but I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and it's been wonderful creating colors with you. Remember, read the book. It's really cool too. Tells you lots of different ways to mix colors. Okay, so boys and girls, have a wonderful weekend. I will see you again for Fuzzle World Friday next Friday. Okay, same time, same place. Okay, all right. Bye bye, everyone.